So here we have a check understanding problem from 6.1. A block is being moved with a velocity v by a force p in the same direction as v, along a horizontal floor. The normal force Fn, the kinetic frictional force Fk, and the weight mg. Which of the following statements is correct? So in a question like this, where they give you all the forces and where they're pointing, it's always best to draw a free body diagram. So here we have our box and our floor. And here we have our velocity and our force P pointing in the same direction. Here's our normal force, Fn, and our kinetic frictional force, Fk. Our weight, mg, as stated. So, which of the following statements is correct? A wouldn't be correct because P does positive work, which is correct, but if mg does negative work, then it does not allow the box to move in the same direction as v. B is incorrect because if Fn does positive work, then it also doesn't allow the box to move in the same direction as v, because the box would now have another external force making the box move in another direction other than the direction which v is going. C is incorrect because if Fk, or the frictional force, does positive work and P does negative work, then the box would not move in the same direction as V, because P has to point in the same direction as V. And here, if P does negative work, it would be pointing in the opposite direction as V. So D is our answer because P does positive work, so it points the same direction as V. Fn and mg do zero work, so they have no effect. And Fk does negative work, but the box is still going along the floor, and the velocity v and the force p are still pointing in the same direction along the horizontal floor.